Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reach the customer service in the AerLingus application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the upper left corner and you will see three lines there. Press on it. And here at the bottom half of the list you will find the contact us option. Press on that. And you can see here all the countries. Depending in which country you are, this is how you can contact the AerLingus customer service. So for example, if you are in Ireland, you can see the phone number presented to you, and the same thing applies to all the other countries here. United Kingdom, continental Europe, you can see the countries inside it, and all of them have their specific number basically, with which you can contact the customer service. So this is how you do it shortly. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.